Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have the October Stylevana box. It's a box they curated for me with some items so that I can try them and review them for all of you. I also have an affiliate discount code with Stylevana. It's INF10KBH. I'll put that in the description box as well, but you can use that once per account or once on your order. And the total discount kind of depends on your total. So the more you spend, the more the discount. But I'll put all the details in the description box. Let's get started. As usual here, everything's very carefully packed. Sometimes things do get a little bit misshapen just because of the air transit and the changes in pressure, but I presume that as soon as I unseal this, it will pop right back up. This is Frudia Green Grape Pore Control Scrub Cleansing Foam. I'm very excited to try this. I have a very complicated relationship with Frudia as a brand. So for a while there, one of our local discount shops had some Frudia items, and they're very interestingly packaged, really bright colors, just kind of like this tube, but even their toner bottles and their cream jars, they all are just very visually appealing. They definitely speak to my inner child. So I got a few toners and I really hated them because they were very fragranced and just, it felt like a punch in the brain every time you take a whiff. But I ended up giving them to my friends and my friends really, really like them. So I'm curious to see how this is and if that's any better, because I only tried a couple products and didn't like them. But that doesn't mean the whole brand is bad. So if you tried Frudia, let me know in the comments and tell me what you think. Isn't hyaluronic acid airy sun stick. I am so excited about this. So I am really discovering this newly found love for stick sunscreens. I swore off of them for a while after trying some US brands that were just super chalky and sticky and greasy. But then Stylevana a few months ago sent me the Cynic Mild Airy, something like that, active sunstick, and I love it. And we even used it when we went to a little weekend away in the woods, and we used it while hiking and stuff in the sun in July, and it worked really, really well, and I didn't burn. I burned super easily, so now I'm super excited. Let's see. Smells a little bit like a little bit of a scent. I really love the little teardrop design. Let's see. Ooh. It's very silky, and you can see I did actually use it. You can see the little mark that it left, but on the hand, no white cast, and it's not greasy. I don't want to use it too much right now because I do want to take pictures of it while it's still nice and new before I really dig in. But I will be putting a review, well, for everything actually, on my blog KBeautyHobbit.com, and then on my Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, so you can find me there. This is also super exciting. I remember when these came out. This is the Blythe, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, pressed serum, and I don't know of any other brand that has a pressed serum type product. The reviews are kind of all over the place online. Some people really like them, and then some people were saying they're too heavy or too much. My skin is combination, so we'll see how that goes. But I've been really meaning to try it because they generated quite a hype back when they came out, and I can't remember how long it's been now. It's been a couple of years. Let's see. Looks like a little bit of it. Oh, wow. It has a fresh, light scent. My sense of smell is still not 100% normal, I wouldn't say. I had the 2020 plague here recently, and for a while I lost all sense of smell, but now it's coming back, but it's a little wonky, so I'm a little bit cautious about talking about scents for brand new things that I've never smelled before, just because I'm wondering kind of how real or how accurate is my sense of smell really now. see. This is the Beauty of Jason Bubble Toner Green Plum plus AHA. If you've seen one of my other unboxings, actually had a tiny version of it, and some of it kind of blew up in shipping one time. So I'm excited to have the full-size version of it to really truly try, and I am embracing gentle exfoliation, and actually with fall coming up, or I guess it will be full-on fall by the time I post this video, it's kind of nice to have some exfoliating products, just kind of get that layer of dry skin off. Isntree Aloe Soothing Gel. I am very happy to get this because I'm currently using the Serum Aloe Gel. I use it with my NuFace microcurrent device, and if you have any questions about that, definitely leave me a comment. I'm almost out of my aloe gel, and I really prefer Korean aloe gels to the actual gel that NuFace sells, because NuFace is really heavy and sticky. It's very expensive, and to me, these watery aloe gels work just as well. So we'll see how this one works, but I use that kind of stuff regularly. I haven't tried the Isntree brand. This is the Tiam, I don't know, very soft peeling gel. Of course, since I'm shooting this little video right now, the neighbors are riding a motorcycle, somebody is mowing, and my toddler is mad. So sorry about the background noise. Here's the peeling gel. Very nice. I love peeling gels. I know right now the trend is to use more leave-on exfoliating products like AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs, and different acids, but I still really like, at least once a week, a good peeling gel. Just get this instant gratification of getting the dead skin cells off, and the skin feels immediately really soft and velvety, and I feel like it's just ready for all the next steps and to soak up all the toners and essences and everything else that I'm going to put on it. So I still see a peeling gel as maybe not a totally necessary, but a highly desired skincare step for me. I'd like to know what you do. What's your exfoliating preference? I haven't tried this one. I've had other products from that brand, just not this peeling gel. So it's a welcome addition to my routine. Let's look at this one. Isntree TW Real Eye Cream, Tone and Wrinkle Care Eye Cream. Tell me in the comments, are you team eye cream or are you team it's a waste of time and a waste of money? I am in between. So do I think that you have to have a product that's specifically marked as eye cream to use around the eyes? No, not necessarily. I think if you have a good moisturizer that's not exfoliating in nature and you want to use it around the eyes, fine. But then if you have combination skin, oily skin, or you're using something with exfoliants, or if you're using a retinoid that's specifically designed for the face, then you might want a different product for the eyes. Maybe not necessarily a designated eye cream, but maybe just a heavier, more rich face cream. But I personally just really like a designated eye cream. It just gives me pleasure. It's maybe not the most budget-friendly idea all the time, but I enjoy it, and that's important to me, the enjoyment of skincare. So I do like designated eye creams, so I'm excited to try this. And like I said, my skin is combination, so my facial cream formulas aren't always nourishing enough for the eye area. I have tried these products before, and I'm excited for the restock. The Mild Tone Up cream is really good. It's a really good sunscreen with a matte finish and a bit of a tone up effect, so just a bit of a brightening on a deeper skin tone that may look like a white cast. And then this other, the blue sunscreen, is good as well. Make Prem makes some of the best sunscreens. And when I had this last time, I'm out now, I thought the green thing was a sunscreen too, but it's not. It's actually a cleanser. And I've had this in a full size before, but this is a great little kit if you wanted to try 3 of really good make prem products. This is a great way to try those, and they're travel friendly, obviously, because of their size. So that's my October Stylevana haul. Let me know what you want to see first as far as reviews. It does take me a little bit of time to get them out because I try to test everything thoroughly, and I kind of have a system going and a certain rotation, etc., etc. But let me know if something here specifically interests you, and I will try my best to get that review out a bit sooner. Like I said, you can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog, kbeautyhobbit.com. In my private Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics, we are at 61,500 members right now and growing every day. And of course, you can reach out to me in the comments here. If you're shopping on Stylevana, don't forget my code INF10KBH. And I hope you're having a lovely October. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.